Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's project is this cute little sour cream container. That's what it's called because I do believe that there is sour cream sold in containers that look like this. For this project, I used the Eat, Play, Love paper. I picked this up. It's in the online only section now. It was in a previous catalog, but it's still available, and I thought the colors were so beautiful. I also used the stamp set with thin cuts called Eat, Play, Love for card making. Super cute. That's what I used to make the jar. And to make the jar, I stamped it with black ink and then used fern ink to stamp the words, and the Coral Shades marker, which is this one here, to color in the little heart. I just thought that little hint of an orangish look matched nicely with the colors in this paper pack. So I have a piece of 6x6 paper, and then I cut off a strip of these little 2x2 squares here that I thought would be fun to use when making our little sour cream container. I used a paper trimmer, but I think I've done all my trimming. Don't need that anymore. So the first thing you're going to do is you have to take some tape, and this is score tape. It's what I like to use when I need a double-sided tape. And this tears easily, so that's why I like it. And I'm just gonna put this like this. And hopefully this all works out. So I got my tape on 3 sides. Taking my pokey tool to help get that backing off of there. And now I'm going to roll it, and sometimes I like to roll and get that paper moving a little bit just to help me out. And I'm going to stick that together. And here we go. So I got the one edge done. Just like that. So you have like a little tube, you can see, like a toilet paper tube. In fact, you could probably do this with toilet paper tubes. And then take your pokey tool and get the backing off of one of the ends. And you just fold it. I usually start in the middle and work my way to the outside. You can take a bone folder, give it a good rub, a-dub-a-doo. And then you can tuck in some goodies. I've got a couple of pieces of candy, because who doesn't love candy? And what you want to do is, you have this one going this way. So now this one needs to go in the opposite direction. You pull out that backer again and squeeze this one closed in the opposite direction. Just like that. This is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty paper? Oh, so cute. Okay, now to make a little label on there, I'm going to take and slice off 2 of these little squares. So I got that like that, and I am going to use some liquid glue. And I'm going to put this here, and I used some fern and the stitched brackets to make a little layer here. And then I did the reverse side with the lighter color. And then I'll stick my little jar on there. And then I'm going to tuck this right on here. And again with the glue, because I find that that holds a little better. And glue that on. And you just hold it in place. Then the last thing I will do is take some black and white thread, because I think the black and white looks so nice with these colors. And I'm going to wrap it around a couple of times and tie it off. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Super simple. Once you get yourself set up, you could assembly line these and do a whole bunch of them and get them done. No problem. So there you go. This is a nice fun way to use up those little squares if you're struggling with that eat, play, love, and you're just not sure what to do with all those little squares. This is a great way to use them up, adding an accent to something. This little jar, of course, I'm all about little jars. Love that. So I hope you'll give this a try. Little sour cream container, 6x6 piece of paper. It's a great way to use up those smaller pieces and make a little something fun for someone. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.